Volvo D13 engine. This is a steering pump for the D13 engine, and it's a common problem on this engine. That's the gear of the pump. Looks what happened with the gear, but the gear wasn't problem. The problem was the gear which is attached to that, which spins by engine, and it has the pinion inside, and it has the bearing. So bearing goes bad and it shifts the gear, and the gear destroys the gear of the pump, steering pump. But if you don't stop on time, all those shavings go inside the engine, and you can have the big problem with the engine when the lock with the rod bearings will spin, or main bearing. So that's a weak spot. I believe if you at 750 miles just on your engine and you never change it, you need to change that gear as soon as possible to avoid the problem, and will cost you a lot of money to change it, because just the gears is around the whole set, because one by one they destroy each other. So the gears all set like around $2,000, and the job, that's the Volvo is asking 40 hours of job labor wise. So think this as a preventive maintenance, changing that gear.